everyone, welcome back with another video of Cybrosys. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to create purchase receipt in Odoo 18 under the accounting module. So you all know that what you mean by a purchase receipt, right? So a purchase receipt is a record of goods received from a vendor after confirming a particular purchase order. So it will be showing all such details about the purchase order. There we can say that what product were delivered, in what quantity, on which date, and also to which location. So you can see simply all the detail about the particular purchase order once you have done with the purchase receipt, right? So without wasting any time, let's directly move to the video. For that, first of all, we need to head over to the accounting module. So once you have entered the accounting module, before creating a purchase receipt, we need to configure one option from the settings menu, and we need to enable that. Under the configuration, here we have the settings, and we need to search for the purchase receipt. Okay, so let's do that. And under the vendor bill, there you can see the option called purchase receipt. So you need to enable the purchase receipt, and once you have done with the changes, please hit the save button. Otherwise, it will not be changed. All right. And let's move to the vendor side. Under the vendor side, there you can see receipt. So we are going to create a purchase receipt very easily. So once you have opened the purchase receipt tab, you can see what the existing ones here, right? So we are going to create a new one. Simply click on the new button, and there you can see the form of the purchase receipt. So first of all, we need to specify the main thing. What is that? Vendor. So let me choose my vendor as Azure Interior, and under that there you can see so many configure option. First one is build reference. Okay, so if you have any build reference ID regarding to this particular vendor, you can simply choose that. And another mandatory and compulsory thing is here, like build date. So you need to specify, or you need to ensure that you put a build date here. Because if you are not putting any bill date here, your operation, the purchase receipt will be invalid. Okay, so you cannot proceed the further process. So first of all, let me do that and simply update the date. And there we have the accounting date, payment reference. So the payment reference is set on journal item. So you can specify the payment reference. And there we have the receipt bank. So you can simply specify the recipient banks, not receipt bank, which is recipient bank. Okay, and there we have the payment terms. So once you have clicked the payment terms, there you can see different type of payment terms, like immediate payment, 15 days, 21 days, 13. So you can simply choose as per your concern what payment terms will be corresponding to this particular purchase receipt. Okay. And here we have the journal. So the journal is specifying the vendor bills, and there we have the currency. So you can simply choose which currency that we are going to proceed this purchase receipt. Okay. So here we have another two tabs, which is invoice lines and journal items. So under the invoice line, there you can see the product. So we need to specify which is our product. So let me specify our product, which is a screw. Okay. So once you have done with that, let me specify the quantity. So it will be 100 quantity, and there you can see the account which belongs to the expense, and there we have the price you can see, and the total amount as well as. All right, here we have our total amount, and next we have the journal item. So under the journal item tab, there you can see the option which is regarding to the journal items, like account, label, debit, credit, tax, and everything. And let's move to the invoice line. And once you have confirmed with all of these options, we can simply click on the confirm button. Okay. So this is in the draft stage, and we are going to post this. So let's click on the confirm button, and there we have another thing which we need to pay. Right. So we are going to pay this. So click on the payment button, and there we have the detail about the payment. So once you have done with that, please click on the create payment button. And once we have done with that, a green ribbon shows it isn't paid. And let's move to the payment side, and there you can see a smart tab which is called payment. And there you can see this is paid, and there we have the bill and also the journal entry. So you can see the journal entry regarding this purchase receipt. All right, so you can see this. And let's move to the payment side and the B. So we are done with the purchase receipt. So that's all about how to create a purchase receipt inside the Odoo. So if you have any doubt, please comment down below. And if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends, and have a nice day. And I will be back with another good video. And thank you.